Hi, I haven't seen you at court before. Are you new? Marquise, stop! That is so naughty. Don't pay him any attention, he's so improper. He's such a macaron. That's the word that we use for each other, like it's just this silly thing that we do. We all call each other's macarons here, so you better get used to it. It's so stupid, I know. Speaking of macarons, I just can't get enough of them. Like all of the other ladies are like eating almonds and apples, and I am just like stuffing myself with macarons. I just can't stop. It's literally the only thing I eat. Like I'm always munching on macarons, it's crazy. So the messieurs, as I like to call the boys here, have been telling me I'm so good at cards. Like they've lost so much money to me. They don't even want to play with me anymore. It's insane. I want to play with you guys. You just really don't want to lose. Oh, shut up. I'm sorry. They're like that all the time. Oh, I see you're wearing feathers in your hair. Yeah, I wore them all the time last season. I don't really do that anymore, but you look really cute. She plays so well. I really admire ladies in waiting that devote so much time to practicing music, because I could never like spend that much time on something that insignificant. She's really good though. Okay, so the queen and we are spending so much time together recently. I'm literally just waiting for people to start rumors about us. Like, I'm not even joking. And I never really understood people that were like trying to gain something from their relation with the queen. Like, I just genuinely want to be her friend. I want, you know, the best for her. I want her to be happy. Hello! Oh my god! Oh no, did you just hear me do that? I cannot believe I just spoke French accidentally. It happens all the time recently. I don't know what's happening. It's so embarrassing. Oh my god. I cannot believe I just did that. It's so stupid. I just speak French so much that it just comes out, like. So do you read like Jean-Jacques Rousseau? Or Voltaire maybe? No. Oh. It's just a shame because like all of the other ladies in waiting are reading like libertine stories, and it's just not something I'm interested in. Like it's just, that's not who I am. Like I'd much rather just talk about like philosophy and life with people, but you know, there aren't that many people that want to do that, so. Marquise, stop! That's just rude. You need to stop immediately. He's so obnoxious. Why are you looking at him?